Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing the unboxing and review of Asus Zenfone 5G. As you can see the sticker of 4G VoLTE. Okay, so let's start. So just quickly unbox the phone. Okay, so what you can see the logo "We Love Photo." That means camera is going to be big highlight in this phone. Okay, and check the YouTube description area. I'll give you the link of this phone. Okay, so here you can see a small box. Or you can see a small box. Let's open it up. And here's the SIM ejector tool. And you can also get a transparent case. Over there, a transparent case and some reading manuals. Just keep this aside. So here's the phone itself. You can see is the phone itself. It is a 64 GB variant having 6 GB RAM, and it's a midnight blue color. Okay, so let's start quickly unwrap it. Okay, so it's the phone itself. Okay, I'll come back to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the box. Open it. Okay, we also get earphone in this phone. It's in ear type. Just open it. Extra ear tips, and is in ear type earphones, and is the button here with the microphone. Okay, USB type C cable, and this is the charger with adapter. And the power rating is okay, and the power rating is over there. You can see power rating is 5 volt 2 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere, so it's a fast charger. Okay, so guys, here's the phone itself. Okay, on the top we have secondary noise cancellation microphone and a volume rocker and power button on this side. Okay, and on the bottom is the main speaker, 3 USB type C port and 3.5 mm headphone jack, and on this side we have the SIM tray. It is a hybrid SIM slot. That means you can add 2 SIM or either 1 SIM and 1 micro SD card. Okay, now I'm going to boot this up. Okay, by the time it boots up, I'm giving you the specification details of this phone. It's having 6.2-inch IPS Full HD display. It's powered by the Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset and powerful Adreno 630 GPU. It comes with 6 GB of RAM. That comes with 64 GB and 128 GB internal storage. It has dual rear camera setup. Main camera is 12 megapixel and secondary comes with wider angle lens 8 megapixel with flash. Supported dual speaker with DTS audio. Okay, on back we have fingerprint sensor. It also has FM radio and having 3300 milliamp hour battery, and it comes with Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. Okay, so I have set up the device. Here you can see the vibrant notch display showing color swells. Okay, and it has a dual rear camera setup. Main camera is 12 megapixel and secondary comes with wider angle lens 8 megapixel with flash, and over there fingerprint sensor. Okay, now quickly go to settings. If we talk about storage and memory, okay, and in storage, out of 64 gigabyte of storage, you will get 50.43 GB. And if you talk about memory, out of 6 gigabyte of RAM, you will get 2 GB available. Okay. Okay, I also set up the fingerprint and face unlock, so just quickly check it. If we talk about fingerprint, I unlock the phone, and as you can see, okay. And if we talk about face unlock, see on it, okay, here you can see it's so fast. Okay, okay, so it's really very fast and responsive, and it comes with the dual apps and apps lock, not with a lot of bloatware. Okay, now quickly go to camera and check it performance. Okay, tag locations. Okay, so also have a wide and normal angle ratio. It is the normal angle ratio, and if we go to wider view, okay, as you can see, it captures a lot in wider angle view. And it also supports 4K video recording, and you can also record video with the wider angle camera. So guys, this is the unboxing and review of Asus Zenfone 5G. Let me tell what you think about this phone in comment section below, and if you having a particular question about this phone, let me know in comment section below. And I have given you the link of this phone. Click on it to check about the pricing details, and please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for latest updates.